In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing Steam on your Mac. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred browser on your Mac and search for Steam. Navigate to the official Steam website. Alternatively, you can find the link provided in the description box below for quick access. Once there, locate the Install Steam button in the upper right corner and click on it. The download process may take a few minutes. Once Steam is downloaded, double-click on it to launch the application. Next, drag and drop the Steam app into the Applications folder. Then, click on the Steam app. It will take some time to update. Once the update is complete, sign in with your account name or click on Create a Free Account at the bottom right corner to begin using Steam. This video serves as your ultimate guide to installing Steam on macOS. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tech tips and tricks, and explore our curated selection of videos for additional tech enjoyment.